The way we work is changing, and it's happening faster than ever before. Technology is advancing at a rapid pace, revolutionizing every aspect of our professional lives. This has a big impact on how businesses operate, making them more efficient and interconnected. The future of work is being shaped by these advancements, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. Artificial intelligence and automation are key drivers of this change, transforming tasks and processes. They are creating new opportunities and challenges, pushing businesses to innovate and adapt. Businesses and individuals need to adapt to thrive in this new environment, embracing continuous learning. The integration of AI and automation is transforming industries from manufacturing to services. New jobs are emerging while others are becoming obsolete, reshaping the job market. This requires a shift in skills and knowledge, emphasizing the importance of upskilling and reskilling. Adaptability and continuous learning are essential to stay relevant in this fast-paced world. The workplace is also becoming more flexible with shared spaces and adaptable environments. Remote work and hybrid work models are becoming increasingly common, offering greater flexibility and work-life balance. But before we jump right in, please do me a favor and subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Several key trends are shaping the future of work, transforming how we approach our daily tasks and interact with our colleagues. AI is automating tasks and augmenting human capabilities, allowing us to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. This is leading to increased productivity and efficiency as machines handle repetitive tasks and humans oversee complex processes. Hybrid work models are becoming the norm, blending remote and in-office work to offer greater flexibility. Employees are seeking more flexibility in their work arrangements, valuing the balance between professional and personal life. This requires businesses to adapt and provide the necessary infrastructure and support, ensuring seamless communication and collaboration. Skills development is crucial in this rapidly changing environment as new technologies and methodologies emerge. The demand for digital skills is high, with coding, data analysis, and digital marketing becoming essential competencies. Continuous learning and upskilling are essential for individuals to remain competitive and relevant in their careers. The workforce is also becoming more diverse, bringing together different perspectives and ideas. More women are entering the workforce, contributing to a more balanced and inclusive environment. Companies are embracing diversity and inclusion initiatives, recognizing the value of varied experiences and backgrounds in driving innovation and success. OnPassive is a technology company at the forefront of this transformation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. They are a leader in AI-driven solutions and SaaS products, offering innovative tools that redefine business operations. OnPassive provides cutting-edge technology to businesses worldwide, ensuring they stay ahead in a competitive market. They focus on innovation and global reach, constantly evolving to meet the needs of a diverse clientele. Their goal is to empower businesses with AI, providing tools that enhance efficiency and drive growth. OnPassive offers a suite of products designed to enhance business operations, making complex tasks simpler and more efficient. Their products are powered by AI, ensuring high performance and reliability. They include OMail, ONet, OTrim, and many more to come, each designed to address specific business needs. These tools aim to improve efficiency and productivity, helping businesses achieve their goals faster. OnPassive is committed to technological leadership, always striving to be at the cutting edge of innovation. They participate in major technology events like GITEX Global, showcasing their advancements and networking with industry leaders. This showcases their capabilities to a global audience, reinforcing their position as a leader in AI-driven solutions. Section 4. OnPassive's impact on digital marketing and business automation. OnPassive is making significant strides in digital marketing and business automation. They offer advanced marketing tools powered by artificial intelligence. These tools cater to all marketing needs. OnPassive also provides business process automation tools. These tools optimize applications and provide customized frameworks. OnPassive aims to transform businesses with AI solutions. Their automated marketing platform is disruptive. It offers tools for business growth and network marketing. This positions them as a leader in modern digital marketing solutions. OnPassive is committed to providing innovative solutions. Section 5, OnPassive shaping the future work environment. The future of work is filled with both challenges and opportunities. OnPassive is well positioned to shape this future. Their AI-powered solutions and innovative approach give them an edge. Their focus on digital transformation, business automation, and global reach is key. OnPassive is committed to empowering businesses. They provide cutting-edge technology to help businesses thrive. They are a potential key player in the evolving landscape of work. OnPassive's commitment to innovation makes them a company to watch. They are likely to have a significant impact on the future of work. For more information about OnPassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.